Oh yeah, look at all of that. I've ordered way too much stuff. Car parts. We got so many car parts. Hey Birdo, how you doing? I bought a whole bunch of car parts. What do you think about that? Yeah, my mum thinks the same. And we continue the journey. Alright, we're gonna start small and go big, so I think... Alright, let's start with these ones. I've also kind of forgotten a lot of the stuff that I've ordered. It's just been coming over for the last couple of weeks. And I'm not too sure what most of these smaller boxes are. I know what the really big one is. I know what the one in the white is. Wouldn't have a clue what the rest is. Oh, there we go. Gas struts. Alright, so we got some new struts. These will be going on the bonnet of the car. So I think the gas struts, I think is what they're actually called. So pretty much when you open the bonnet, it'll stay up. You don't need the little prop there holding it up and getting in the way. So these might come in handy. Hopefully they come in handy. I mean, they were pretty cheap anyway, but we'll see how those ones hold up. You guys are pointing like really low as well. Wait, let's bring that up just a little bit. Alright, these ones, I mean, you could probably tell already. New springs, some softer springs. They are long overdue. Anyway, we've got some 4 kilo springs and 3 kilo springs. There's no guarantee that both sets of these will be going on the car. It's just going to depend on what, I guess, how they feel, because the 6 kilo ones in there, I'm thinking of putting because the 6 kilos are on the rear. Put the 6 kilos on the front and then to put the 4 kilos in the rear. And then if that's still too stiff, then put the 4 in the front and then the 3 in the rear. It just depends on how they feel when I go and test them out. Alright, now we're getting into the stuff I really don't know what's what. Bushes. Rear trailing arm bushes. What do we got? Rear trailing arm front bushes. Oh, so rear trailing arm rear bush, rear trailing arm front bush. There we go. Because yeah, I'm replacing like all of the bushes in the car. Oh, there we go, that's the alright. Tie rods, inner tie rods, outer tie rods, and some ball joints, I believe. But these are those are long overdue. Every time I brake, freaking cars everywhere. Every time I brake, the my steering at the front kind of wobbles a little bit, but the brakes are fine. And I've also noticed the car likes to pull a lot to the left, and I feel like that front left ball joint is like super loose. So I don't know if you guys are hearing the cars on the camera, but they're really annoying and they're really loud, and they're literally right out the back of me because our house backs onto the road. Stop doing things in the morning. And the birds are going. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. What are you? Ah, Car Mods Australia. Those guys had a special on their timing belt kits. So we got, what are these ones? I forgot what those ones are. Control arms, but I got, I think these are my rear control arms? I've ordered way too much stuff. And we also got, there we go. Timing belt kit, because I have no information on when the timing belt was last done, so I want to do this, otherwise we're going to say goodbye to some valves. And I really don't want to do that just yet. I don't make enough money to do that. Here are these ones. Alright, lift kit. This is just in case I can't get the car high enough, because the soft springs are obviously going to compress a little bit more when you drop the car down, and the coilovers are maxed out. They're the highest as they're going to go. So if we need to, shut up! If we need to, we're going to put these little strut spacers on to try and get a little bit more lift on the car, and then we can kind of screw the strut back down a little bit because they are sitting, there's not much thread there. So I probably put these on anyway, just so I can screw that strut back down a little bit again. And there's a few more threads there keeping my car on the road. This is a light one. This is probably bushes again. What is everyone doing? It's a Sunday morning. It's a Sunday morning. No one goes out on a Sunday morning. Rack and pinion bushes, seeing as we're doing the whole suspension thing anyway. I know what that one is. I'm curious to know what... Oh, come here. I think this one is... I'm hoping some control arms. No, it's not control arms. That's definitely... I completely forgot I ordered this one. Oh, yes. This one's exciting. I know you guys are gonna love the video on this one. Ooh, yes. Check this one out. We need to open this one up. We got some Empire headers. These things should sound amazing and free up a lot of flow. That's the main goal of it, obviously. Let's put you back in here. Maybe, oh, this one is my control arms. Oh, oh dang. These are clean. We need to look at that. It's all like all zip tied up so it doesn't like go banging around on each other as well. This is nice. I like this. Can't wait to get these on. These are the car is gonna handle so nice. I gotta get some sway bars though. I ran out of money before I could get sway bars, but that might be the next thing on the list. Room. Let's put that stuff into there. Alright, two boxes left. And this is one hell of an unboxing. Whew. We got a new radiator as well. We got a matte aluminium radiator. This will be going in when I do the timing belt, seeing as the radiator has to come out. I figured when it's coming out, I may as well replace it with a better one. And I can already tell, this is very thick compared to the factory one. And I'm hoping we won't have any fitment issues. Alright, now this last one, I have already opened it, I will admit. I've had this thing sitting around, all this, let's find, there we go. I've had this one sitting around for about 3 months now. It's still probably going to be about another 3 months until I get on the car because I don't have enough money for a tune. But I think you guys will like this. Alright, first up, Mishimoto short ram intake. And then we got a whole bunch of piping in here. So that's all fun and games, but the thing I want to dig out, check out this goodness. We got a Mishimoto gold front mount intercooler. That thing is heavy. So I bought it because it was on a sale at the time. It was from Car Mods Australia again. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get it on the car. I just don't have money for a tune because I've gone and spent it on all this stuff. But I'm hoping when I do, because I'll put the short ram, the front mount, I forgot what else I was going to put on. Oh, the headers. Once I have the money for a tune, then the headers, intake and front mount will be going on the car. But over the next couple of weeks, it's pretty much just suspension stuff, springs, bushes, control arms, all that kind of thing. Maybe if I can get a hold of some sway bars, because those will probably be needed once I put some softer springs on to stop the body roll, and just see where we go from there. As far as performance stuff goes now, it's just to sort out the fuel, so probably injectors and a fuel pump, and then that's the car done. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one, and I think I might be doing a giveaway soon as well. I've got one more part thing coming in, and I'll just have to see what happens with it, and we might do a giveaway. That depends entirely up to how much support I get from you guys, so hopefully I will see you in the next one. These are my ducklings. We got some more little ducks. Come here, let me love you.